hope you're ready to come back and work on flying into first grade. All right, let's get started. Today's is dedicated to Jeremiah and Dwayne. I'm going to share my screen and let's get started. All right. Boop, boop. There we go. Awesome. All right, so Spider-Man today, he's in a little bit of trouble, Kipsters. He needs some help. He's got Scorpion after him. He's got Electro after him. And he's got Dr. Octopus after him. Bum, bum, bum. Let's see if Spider-Man can save himself. All right, so Spider-Man flying in hot. And here comes Scorpion. Uh-oh. Spider-Man has some math challenges in order to beat Scorpion. Let's see if he can do it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of dots that he has to count and he's got to do it fast. What should Spider-Man do? You remember from last week? Count those tens, right? Remember? I'm looking here. I see this is a 10 frame. It's full, so I know that that is a full set of 10. So he's got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Way to use that skip counting, count those groups of 10. All right. Oh, one down. Uh-oh, Scorpion's got another challenge for Spider-Man. Let's see. Same thing. Spider-Man, count those tens. He's got a full row of 10 here. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. Oh my goodness. All right, oh my goodness. All right. Scorpion's coming at us hard, but I think we got this, Kipsters. So we've got another full 10 frame. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40. Ooh, switching over to counting by ones down here. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47. All right. Ooh. Bye-bye, Scorpion. Let's see who's coming next. And Spider-Man flying in. Oh no, it's Electro. What's Electro got for us? Ooh, counting those blocks. We got this. All right. So, Spider-Man, remember, this is a whole 10. So same thing as before, count by tens. So we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Easy peasy. All right. Next one. Ooh, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Electro's coming in. So here's a fun trick. When I see this right here, I can automatically think that's 5. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that's 5, so I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87. All right, come on. One more from Electro. Ooh, we got this. All we have to do is do what? You got it. Count by 10. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. See ya, Electro. All right, last one. Ooh. Spider-Man flying in. There's Dr. Octopus. Ooh. Dr. Octopus is extra tricky because he's not going to let Spider-Man count by 10 or count blocks. You have to be able to do it in your head. Uh-oh. What's the pattern from last week? 19 and one more? Oh, I know when I add one more, there's a pattern. So 9 and one more, that makes the new 10. So 19 and one more is 20. Ha! We got you, Dr. Octopus. All right. Next one. Ooh, 29, same thing. When I have 29, I add one more. The 9 and one more makes a new 10. So now instead of 2 10s, I've got 3 10s. So that is 30. All right, next one. Oh my goodness, that is a lot, Kipsters. All right, take a big breath in. Breathe out. All right, we have this. Okay, so 79 and one more, that's going to make a new 10. 9 and one more is a new 10, so 7 10s, 8 10s, so 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. We know this pattern. 87, 88, 89, 89, and one more is going to make another new 10. 9, and one more. 10s, 9 10s, 90. Oh, let's see if Spiderman can fill that out. So we have 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Bye-bye, Dr. Octopus. All right, so Kipsters, today we're going to practice counting groups of 10 and counting across 10s using ones when counting by ones with and without objects. So we're going to practice counting our groups of 10s and making sure we're remembering the pattern when we're crossing the 10s, counting by one. So 29, 30, 39, 40, making that new set of 10s. All right. Really fast, do we? No? Okay. Really fast though. I'm going to stop sharing my screen so we can take a look at these blocks just to remind ourselves. So remember, when I see a block like this, this is a whole 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I have all of these 10s, all of these blocks right here, and then we'll just do... We'll do it like that. Got all these. I don't have to count these like by ones like we've talked about. I am skip counting and counting them by 10. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. The biggest trick is to remember to switch back to counting by ones when you get to your 1 blocks, because your 10 blocks, golden, we can count by 10s. Make sure you're switching back to counting by ones. You got this. All right, let's keep going. And, All right, so let's see. So when we're doing this today, our hardest one is still remember counting up by ones to cross the 10. So you're identifying your number that you're starting with and think about the number that comes next. 16, 17. We got that easy peasy. So then when you get to the 9 though, you're thinking about what number comes next in the pattern, about how when you're adding a 1 to 9, it's making a new 10. So 19, 20. So count 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Not getting tricked when we're crossing the 10 by ones. We got this, Kipsters. All right. Let's see, what practice does Spider-Man have for us today? Kipsters, quick, how many objects are there? All right, Kipsters, on your paper, write down how many dots do you see? All right, pause it if you didn't get it or if you had to go get paper. We're going to get going because this should be fast. fast. So I see I've got my group of 10 in the 10 frame. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Oh, make sure you think about the 10s. Whoops. Sorry, Spider-Man. Oh, yeah, we got this. Oh, now that one. Okay. Just kidding. All right, so this one again. Count it and write down how many you have. G-O, go. Don't forget those 10s. All right, you ready? Let's count it together. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. All right, one more. Don't forget to count those 10s. Write it down. All right, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Awesome. All right, ready for the next challenge. Great work, Kipsters. Kipsters, quick, how many blocks are there? Make sure you think about the 10s. All right, quickly write down how many blocks do you see? All right, let's go. I'll pause it if you need more time. Let's see how fast we can do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80. Yes. Great job, Kipsters. All right, next set. Think about those 10s. Think about how you switch from counting by 10s to counting by 1s. Go. All right, let's check it. Pause it if you needed more time. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Whew. That's a lot of blocks. All right, last one on this challenge. Oh, I almost started counting for you. You go ahead and count and tell me how many there are. All right, let's do it. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Awesome. All right. We've got the hardest challenge coming our way. You got this, Kipsters. Finish strong. Kipsters, this is the final challenge. Are you ready? All right. So on your paper, you're going to write 51 and you're going to fill in the rest of the missing numbers. Go ahead and fill that sequence in. Remember, you're thinking about the pattern that comes when you are counting. What happens when you add one more? What are you going to do when you get to that 9? Right. Pause it if you needed more time to write. We're going to go over it now. So we've got 51 and one more. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Oh, remember, this is where we're crossing the 10s, adding one more. So if I have 59, I add one more, what's going to happen? We have a new 10 that we're making. So 59, then it is 60. We added one more, made a new 10. Now instead of 5 tens, there's 6 tens. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We learned this last week from, I think it was Black Panther, right? T'Challa? 59, 60, 61. Awesome. Coming from your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Fabulous work today. Don't forget to send a picture of it to your teachers. All right, and Spider-Man wants to remind you that when you have large amounts to count those groups of 10 to make it faster and easier. And when you are counting by ones to cross tens, think about how when you get to 9 in the pattern, you're making a new 10. All right, Kipsters, have a fabulous, fabulous Monday. We can't wait to see the pictures of all of your work.